What's going on, everybody? Brody here with Sew Yeah Quilting. This video is a little different from our normal tutorials because of the following. We're gonna show you the different tools that we use in our everyday tutorials. Every single time we put out a video, we have comments that say, hey, what kind of rotary cutter are you using? What kind of machine are you using? What are wonder clips? And all of the above. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what they are and give you a step-by-step of how to use them. Let's get started. Okay, everyone, so we're gonna start out with cutting and measuring. So as you've seen in our YouTube videos, we use Martelli rotary cutters and Martelli mats. So we're gonna do a quick punch in here. We're gonna show you how these work and why we love them. Okay, so as you can see, this isn't shaped like your traditional rotary cutter. Obviously, a normal rotary cutter, you're holding onto it like this, but if you look at my wrist here, you can see that doesn't look right, it doesn't feel right. And most people go and they start cutting like this. But with a Martelli rotary cutter, they're ergonomically correct. So you literally place your hand over it and my wrist stays straight and the cutter is straight against your cutting mat. As you can see, it has a little guard here. So the guard, you can either flip down with your finger or you can just roll it across your cutting mat, and that's what will keep your blade covered and then open it up when you're ready to use it. So now that the blade's open, we're gonna do a little cutting and just kind of demo that. It cuts super smooth and fine, and anytime I've heard somebody say, you know, I don't really love the cutter or I have to push too hard, it's because they're not quite using it right. And they either have it held like this or they have it held in some other way and it's veering off to the side or it's kind of doing something crazy. But if you hold the cutter right and you set your arm down where your hand isn't bent or curved, you can do all your cutting very straight and very smooth without any pressure at all. You just barely put the pressure, it cuts very smooth, and you're all set, okay? So that's one of the main reasons we love it, where you can do a whole bunch of cutting without it hurting your wrist, hurting your shoulder, hurting your back, because you're trying to push that pressure down and force an object to cut in kind of an awkward angle. So none of that with this. So that's the Martelli rotary cutter. We're gonna jump into the Martelli mat and show you why this is a superior mat to other mats that are on the market. So first feature about this mat that you're gonna love, it is 36 inches wide and it's 24 inches deep with an inch around the entire thing. So you can actually cut a full yard on this mat. That's the first thing. Next thing, sometimes we're cutting dark colors, sometimes we're cutting light colors. It's dual colored, so it has purple on this side for your light fabrics, and you've got yellow on this side for your dark fabrics. That way, depending on what you're cutting, you can just flip the mat over. Next, everybody says you can't use your mat to measure with, but since the lines on this mat are so paper thin, you're able to actually use this as measurement and cut with it, and it's truly accurate. It doesn't warp, it doesn't change, okay? Now, last thing, everybody kind of says they have a self-healing mat. We've had a lot of different mats run through our shop, but quite frankly, none of them really hold up the same way a Martelli mat does. So I'm gonna get this rotary cutter right here. I'm gonna stick it here in the mat. Obviously, you'd never push your rotary cutter that hard into the mat, but all you need to do is literally rub it. So what was that? 5 seconds, 10 seconds? It's gone, you can't see it. It is taken care of. So it truly is a self-healing mat. And even if you were to like leave it in the back of your car, you were to roll it up, you were to whatever, you let it go, it drops back down to a normal mat and you're ready to rock and roll. Love, love, love these mats. They are way more durable than any other mat, and you can cut on them again and again, flip them over, do different colors, you're all set. Now we're gonna talk about a couple rulers that we use almost every single project, just our normal Omnigrid ruler, as well as our Clearly Perfect slotted trimmer. I'm gonna talk about both of those a little bit more in depth. So we absolutely love our Omnigrid rulers. This ruler right here is 6 inches wide by 24 inches long. The reason that I like this ruler so much is because you can cut the width of bolts, and you can also use it for smaller projects for that 6 inches. Now, jumping in right here to the ruler, one thing you'll notice, or a couple things you'll notice, is you have 1/8 inch markings. So you have your 1/8, quarter, 3/8, half, and so on. Also, love the colors. I love that it's bright, it's vibrant, and you can see it while you're working on any fabrics you're using. Last thing I want to show here is right here, we put on some True Grip. You can either use strips or dots, which is basically like a little bit of sandpaper that adds extra grip when you're putting it down on top of your fabric. So absolutely love this for any of our regular cutting that we're doing during our tutorials. For the little more specialty cutting that we do, we're going to use our Clearly Perfect slotted trimmer, which is for half square triangles. We're gonna jump in and show you the in-depth view of these. So when you open up your pack of Clearly Perfect slotted trimmers, you're going to have 2 of them in the pack. You have one that has 1.5 through 5.5 inch finished blocks, as well as 1 inch through 6 inch finished blocks. Now we've used these in a lot of different videos. Anything that we have half square triangles, we use these rulers here. Super simple. Again, we've shown these in other videos, but all you have to do is lay down your half square triangle without having opened it up, without having trimmed anything, and use these little slots here, and you can fully square and trim up your half square triangles without having opened them, without having ironed them, or anything like that. Makes your cutting and your trimming so much easier because literally you just set it on top, do your cutting and trimming, it trims the little dog ears off, and you're ready to start sewing that in your project. Love these things, can't say enough about them. And again, everything that's in this video is gonna be linked below, so you'll be able to get your hands on them as well. Now, let's go into the other things that we've used in our tutorials. Now that we've talked about our rotary cutter, our mat, and the different rulers that we use, we need to talk about what we use to mark before we do our actual cutting. So this right here is a friction pen, and it's erasable as well as iron off. So very versatile in what you can do with it. I'm gonna show you just quickly how it works and what you can do. So basically, it's just a normal pen that you open up, this goes on the back, and you do your marking with. But as you can see here as I'm marking, so I've marked a little line here, you can actually erase it and erase what it is that you marked on your fabric, okay? Just like that. And then also you can leave it on there and just iron it and it comes off, okay? These come in all different colors. There's red, orange, blue, black, and depending on what kind of fabric you're working with or what color fabric you're working with, you can choose the right pen for it. Love these things. Just a very nifty thing to have around in your sewing room while you're doing your quilting. Okay everyone, so these right here are probably my all-time favorite Notion. These are Wonder Clips and they are literally a lifesaver. Instead of doing your traditional pinning, you can just use Wonder Clips and actually clip them together like this. So grab the clip, open it up, stick it over the edge of your fabric, of your binding or whatever it is, and these will hold it in place. They work great on bags, bindings, quilts, apparel, you name it, it works awesome on there. I've literally 100% stopped using pins because these are so convenient and so easy to use that it's not worth sticking yourself with a pin over. Might as well just get the Wonder Clips and use them. Again, this is kind of a deal breaker for me. If I don't have these laying around, I won't even sew because they're just so easy and so convenient to use. Now we're getting into the meat and potatoes of sewing and quilting. We got our machine, we got our needles, and we've got our thread, okay? We're gonna jump right into the needles and talk about why we love Oregon needles so much. As you can see here, these are embroidery needles or quilting needles by Oregon, okay? They're titanium, and I got one right here. You can see that they look extra durable. I don't even know how to explain it. They look like they're extra strong. The eye of them is a decent size. These are 80-12s, but they're ultra strong. A normal sewing machine needle is supposed to last like 25,000 stitches. These needles here are rated for 250,000 stitches. So you're getting 10 times the life out of a normal needle just by getting this brand. They make them in all different sizes, and for everything you're doing, if you want top stitch or leather or whatever it may be, they make every different kind of needles. And I'm telling you, as soon as we switch to these needles, whether it be embroidery, quilting, sewing, top stitching, our needles stop breaking, less problems, cleaner stitches, sharper points. We love these things, and we literally have them on every single one of our machines. Thread, literally what holds your project together. We love Orville thread here at Sew Yeah Quilting. We use it on all of our projects regardless of what it may be. The thing that I love about Orville is that it's a 2-ply thread with the same strength as a 3-ply. What that means is that it's actually thinner, but with the same strength as whatever other brand of thread that you use. On a normal spool of Orville, this is an Orville 50 weight spool, it holds 1,442 yards of thread, which is much bigger than a normal spool that you get, again, from somewhere else. We love it. You literally have to try it in order to see the difference between this and any other brand of thread. I've had people come and say, well, what really is the difference? You cannot explain it. You have to get one and try it out so you can see what a difference it makes inside of your machine as well as the look of your projects. Now, we're gonna jump into the machine. Last but not least, we have our machine. This here is a Janome 1600P, and it is a literal workhorse. It's metal, so it's heavy, but it's made to be sat down and just used. Couple of features that we love about this machine. One, it's very simple, okay? It is straight stitch, that's it, okay? All it does is straight. It doesn't have decorative stitches, doesn't have zigzag. All it is used for is straight stitching, which for me is something that I like. Obviously, it doesn't fit every function. It doesn't do embroidery, it doesn't do your decorative stitches, but for what we're doing, if we're just doing straight piecing, this is the machine for us, okay? A couple of other things that I like about this machine. One, it has a very quick thread cutter, which makes it really nice for when if you're just chain piecing or you're doing whatever you're doing, it makes it very quick and you can just pump out your project. Other thing that I like here is that it's a side load bobbin from this side of the machine, so you can just pop it in there while you're sewing and you don't have to take your project off of the top of your machine to refill your bobbin. And last but not least, I like that it has the big space here that you can put cones on here or multiple colors if you're switching it out as you're doing your projects. And obviously it has reverse and the normal features of a straight stitch sewing machine. Love these machines. They're affordable, they're awesome, they never break down, and they pretty much just work away. Thank you so much everyone for coming along with us and seeing the products that we use and love every single day. Again, there's links for each one of these products underneath this video in the description below, so you can hop on our website and get them for yourself and see the difference it'll make in your sewing experience. Please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. As always, my name is Brody, teaching you how to sew like a pro. We'll see you next time here at Sew Yeah Quilting.